Quiz number 1. What number to divide to make it 3? Please pause the video and try to answer. Okay, let's start. 6 divide 2 is 3. 9 divide 3 is 3. 18 divide 6 is 3. 12 divide 4 is 3. 15 divide 5 is 3. 21 divide 7 is 3. 15 divide 5 is 3. 3 divide 1 is 3. 12 divide 2 is 6. Divide 2 is 3. 18 divide 2 is 9. Divide 3 is 3. Okay, quiz number 2. What number to divide to make it 4? Please pause the video and try to answer. Okay, let's start. 8 divide 2 is 4. 16 divide 4 is 4. 12 divide 3 is 4. 4 divide 1 is 4. 20 divide 5 is 4. 28 divide 7 is 4. 24 divide 6 is 4. Divide 1 is 4. 16 divide 2 is 8. Divide 2 is 4. 24 divide 2 is 12. Divide 3 is 4. I hope you learn. See you next time. God bless.